Gold is about to do something most people are not ready for. Not a small move, a reset, a big one. Now here's the scary part. This reset won't just affect gold. It could hit your savings, your investments, your future. Because right now, something unusual is happening. Gold already hit record highs. Everyone started calling it safe again, and yet the signals underneath are changing, quietly. And when those signals shift, gold doesn't move slowly, it snaps, up or down, fast. So let me ask you something. What if the biggest gold move is still ahead and you're completely unprepared for it? Because here's the truth. Most people think gold only moves during fear, war, inflation, crisis. But that's not the full story. The real driver is something else, something deeper. And right now, that force is building pressure, even while everything looks normal. And this is exactly how resets happen. Not when everyone is watching, but when no one expects it. Smart money already sees it. They're not reacting, they're positioning. But the average investor still thinks gold is safe no matter what. And that assumption can become very expensive. So what is this reset? What's changing behind the scenes? And why could the next move in gold shock almost everyone? The answer starts with one system that quietly controls everything, and almost nobody is paying attention to it. That system? The Federal Reserve. But not what they say, what they're preparing for. Because here's the problem. Most people listen to headlines. Rates unchanged, inflation cooling, economy stable. Sounds normal, right? But markets don't move on what's obvious. They move on what's coming next. And right now, the Fed is stuck. They can't cut rates aggressively because inflation isn't fully under control. But they also can't keep rates too high for too long because something in the system could break. And this is where the pressure builds. Now think about this. If the Fed stays tight, money flows into yield. Bonds look attractive. Cash feels safe. Gold struggles. But if the Fed suddenly shifts, cuts rates, or loses control over inflation, money runs to gold fast. So gold is sitting in the middle right now, waiting. Not weak, not strong, undecided. And this is exactly what happens before a reset. Because once the Fed is forced to make a real move, gold won't stay quiet. It will react aggressively. Now, here's the real question. What could force the Fed to make that move? Because the answer to that is already starting to show up, quietly, in places most people aren't even looking. That signal? The bond market. Not stocks, not gold, bonds. Because this is where smart money moves first. Now think about this. When investors get nervous about the economy, they don't run to gold immediately. They move into bonds. Why? Because bonds give safety and income. But here's where it gets interesting. Bond yields have been acting strange. They're staying high, even when growth is slowing. That shouldn't happen, because normally when the economy weakens, yields fall. But right now, they're not falling fast enough. And that's a problem, because high yields mean tight financial conditions. Loans get expensive, businesses slow down, consumers pull back, pressure builds in the system. Now connect this to gold. If yields stay high, gold struggles. But if something breaks and yields suddenly drop, gold doesn't just rise, it spikes fast. And this is exactly the setup we're entering. A tension point, where one move in the bond market can trigger a chain reaction. Fed reacts, dollar shifts, gold explodes, or resets. So now the real question becomes, what could cause that break? Because once that happens, this gold reset won't be a prediction anymore. It'll already be happening. That break? It usually comes from something nobody expects. Not headlines, not obvious news. Stress inside the system. Now think about this. What happens when rates stay high for too long? Debt becomes expensive. Companies struggle to refinance. Governments pay more interest. Pressure quietly builds. At first, nothing looks wrong. Markets look stable. News feels normal. But underneath, cracks start forming. And then, suddenly, something snaps. It could be a bank. It could be a credit event. It could be a liquidity problem. And the moment that happens, everything shifts fast. Yields drop. Fed reacts. Money moves. And gold? That's when gold wakes up. Not slowly, not gradually, aggressively. Because now it's not about maybe risk. It's real risk. Now, here's the part most people miss. These events don't give warnings. By the time you see it in the news, the move has already started. That's why smart money doesn't wait for confirmation. They prepare before the break. So now ask yourself, are we close to that breaking point? Because some signs are already showing up quietly. And if you connect them, you start seeing a pattern. And once you see that pattern, you realize this reset might be closer than anyone thinks. Quick pause. If this is opening your eyes, like the video and subscribe to Kane Invests. Most people never understand this, and that's why they react too late. Now, those signs, they're already showing up, but most people are ignoring them. Think about this. Credit card debt is rising, loan payments are getting heavier, and and more people are struggling to keep up. On the surface, everything looks fine, but underneath, pressure is building. At the same time, governments are sitting on massive debt, and with higher interest rates, they're paying more just to survive. That's not sustainable forever. Now connect this: when debt pressure rises and growth slows, something has to give. Either rates come down, or something in the system starts breaking, and both scenarios matter for gold. If rates drop suddenly, gold benefits. If something breaks, gold benefits even more. But here's the twist: markets don't wait for collapse, they move on expectations. The moment investors sense that shift, money starts repositioning, quietly at first, then aggressively. And that's how resets begin, not with panic, but with silent movement. So now ask yourself, are you watching these signals or just reacting to headlines? Because by the time headlines catch up, the biggest move is already in motion. And this is where it gets even more powerful, because there's one factor that can accelerate this entire reset, and almost nobody connects it to gold. That factor? The US dollar. Now this is where everything connects. Most people look at gold alone, but smart money always looks at gold versus the dollar, because they move opposite to each other. When the dollar gets stronger, gold struggles. When the dollar weakens, gold rises. Simple. But here's where it gets interesting. Right now, the dollar is still holding strong. Even with all the uncertainty, even with pressure building, it hasn't broken yet, and that's holding gold back. But think about this. What happens if the dollar suddenly weakens? Not slowly, but sharply. That's when everything changes. Because now, money loses confidence in currency, investors start looking for protection, and gold becomes the target, fast. Now connect all the pieces. Bond market under pressure, Fed stuck, debt rising. And if the dollar weakens on top of that, that's not a normal move anymore. That's a reset trigger. And this is why smart investors are watching the dollar very closely right now. Because the moment it cracks, gold won't move step by step, it will reprice aggressively. So now the real question becomes, is the dollar about to weaken or stay strong? Because the answer to that decides everything for gold. And there's one signal that gives this answer early. That signal? Liquidity. This is where most people get lost, but this is where smart money focuses. Liquidity simply means how much money is flowing in the system. More liquidity equals more money available equals assets go up. Less liquidity equals tight conditions equals assets struggle. Now think about what's happening right now. The Fed has kept things tight. Money isn't flowing freely like before. That's why markets feel unstable. But here's the twist. The moment liquidity comes back, everything reacts. Stocks move, crypto moves, and gold? Gold moves hard because gold thrives when money supply expands and confidence in currency weakens. Now connect this with what you already know. If the Fed is forced to inject liquidity, if the dollar weakens, if yields drop, that's not just bullish for gold, that's explosive. But right now, we're in between, not fully tight, not fully loose. That's why gold looks confusing. Up, down, sideways. This is the setup phase, and this is where most people lose patience. They either jump in too early or ignore it completely. But smart money? They wait for liquidity to turn, because when that switch happens, the reset we've been talking about happens fast. So now the final question becomes, what should you actually do before this reset happens? Because the answer isn't hype, it's strategy. And this is where everything finally comes together. So what should you actually do before this reset happens? Not guess, not panic, prepare. Because here's the truth. You don't need to predict the exact move. You need to position for it. Right now, signals are building but not fully aligned. Yields are still high. Dollar hasn't clearly broken. Liquidity is still tight. So this is not the moment to go all in. It's the moment to stay ready. If you already own gold, don't panic over small moves. This is noise before a bigger shift. If you don't own gold, don't chase spikes. Wait for confirmation. And if you want exposure, start small. Build slowly, not emotionally. Because the biggest mistake people make during resets is this. They react too late or too aggressively. Now let's close the loop. Gold is not just reacting to fear anymore. It's reacting to a system under pressure. Fed decisions, bond market stress, dollar strength, liquidity shifts. All of this is building toward one thing, a reset. And when it happens, it won't feel obvious. It will feel sudden. That's why smart money prepares early, while everything still looks normal. So now it comes down to you. Will you wait for headlines or read the signals? Comment gold if you're starting to see the bigger picture. Because once you understand this, you stop reacting and start thinking like smart money. This video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. Always consult a qualified financial professional before making financial decisions.